When this came to you and you were told the first time कि Saif and Akshay are in it, what was that like?
I was like, wow, like what a exciting reunion it's going to be.
Yeah. Yeah, they also 17 years के बाद they're coming together.
Exactly, and I really like the script.
When you all were shooting for this and when you all were shooting for Mirzapur, the OTT series, is there a scale difference? Do you see?
See, on the set, the approach is the same.
Okay.
How, as actors, we perform is the same. All of that doesn't change.
And you were talking about Akshay also. Like, imagine this. Like, we are at a time where, say, Aamir doesn't have a release for 4-5 years. Shah Rukh also once in 2-3 years. This Akshay Kumar has a 2-3 releases in a year, sometimes 4 releases in a year.
बहुत लोगों के लिए they are very clear कि हमें ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, but जो भी करना है वो conviction के साथ करना है. Or then you have somebody like an Akshay, so who's very clear that I want to do as much work. काम करना है.
All these fans who are writing to you and DMing you, what do you want to tell them about Sweetie? What should they expect this time?
To all the fans, मतलब thank you आपने स्वीटी गुप्ता के किरदार को इतना ज़्यादा प्यार दिया और मैं जानती हूँ कि सीजन 1 के एंड में जब स्वीटी Hi, I'm Shreya Pirgaonkar and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Shreya, welcome to Bollywood Hungama. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you. Our annual meetup.
Annual meetup. And, this is a great time to interview you because I've seen both your trailers and the song. First, we'll talk about Mirzapur. Sweetie कहाँ से आई मिर्जापुर में? सब वंडर कर रहे हैं.
मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही स्पेशल चीज थी बिकॉज सीजन 1 के अंत में लगा नहीं था that I'd get the opportunity to be back in the Mirzapur universe and it's a series that is so special to me and everybody. You know, तब तो the success of Mirzapur was like the success of any commercial film for all of us in terms of the love, the fame, at a global level. You know, just the response that we got. And of course when Guru sir came to me and said that film ban rahi hai aur aap ho usme, no questions asked, I said yes, I'm doing it. Of course Sweetie and other characters who had died at the end of season 1, they're back because ये जो film है ये 2 episodes के बीच का एक right turn है, I would say. You know, some things are nostalgic and some things are fresh.
Correct.
So that is the joy of it. The audience can come and enjoy these characters and all of the bhokal on the big screen, but also obviously हमें उन्हें कुछ नया भी देना
पड़ेगा. Correct.
तो स्केल बढ़ गया है. गाने हैं which were like so loved. वारू उसको एक अलग version बना के लेके आए. So it was like a big party for us, honestly.
Wow. Did you ever think in 2026 we will be sitting and talking about Sweetie?
Well, life is so beautifully unexpected कि कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Right.
And September I have 2 releases, Hewan and Mirzapur. So I have for myself coined it as a Shreya Temper.
Oh, nice.
#Shreya Temper. Because you know, Rohit, last few years, so much of my work has been in the OTT space that I can't take for granted that I have 2 theatricals this year.
That's really something else, right?
It's a important thing, and in today's day and age, to just reach a stage where you have a film that's getting a release.
बिल्कुल.
ये एक बड़ी बात
है. बिल्कुल बड़ी बात है और आपके पास 2 है. When you all were shooting for this and when you all were shooting for Mirzapur, the OTT series, is there a scale difference? Do you see, or is the same on the set?
See, on the set, the approach is the same. How, as actors, we perform is the same. All of that doesn't change. I think the joy is that in season 1, when we were starting off, we had no idea what this is going to be. There's a certain innocence, एक surrender, without baggage हम कर रहे थे, किरदार enjoy कर रहे थे. हम खुद भी enjoy कर रहे थे वो किरदार. And that's a great sign. मुन्ना हो, स्वीटी हो, गुड्डू हो, वो perform करते वक्त भी हमें वो dynamics कल मजा हम ले रहे थे. And Excel of course is wonderful to work with. In the film, because you already have so much love, you are somewhere carrying a sense of responsibility, of course, but काफी वक्त already गुजर गया था from season 1 to now, even for the other characters. So somewhere to tap into the season 1 energy, because you've left that behind. You were much younger then, you know, the other characters have gone ahead also. So for some of them to go back in time, and the way I looked at it, I think because मेरा part season 1 में ही था मिर्जापुर के, मुझे वो बहुत एक freshness अभी भी था.
Right.
For Sweetie Gupta's character.
Right.
So I would just say the scale, and of course we got to do much more in the series.
Yeah.
You know,
Of
in the
course.
film it's there's limited scope for the tracks.
Correct. Each one's track.
Yeah.
You know, when did you shoot the first season? Which year was that be?
It released in 2018 and I think in 2017. It's been
so you know,
almost 10
today
years.
when you are told to, in 2026 you're told to, 2025 or 6 you're told to go back to that character, how do you go back? Do you watch it? Do you sit and watch it, or how?
I did watch it
Huh.
because I feel like I wanted to I didn't want to do similar things, but I wanted to get a sense of that Sweetie.
True,
because
10
that
साल हो
is
गए,
हाँ, luckily we've all aged well, तो वो अच्छी बात है. हम इतने भी बूढ़े नहीं हुए 7 सालों में, so I think that freshness was there. But I wanted to kind of revisit season 1 just to understand the flavor, the tone, एक थोड़ा foundation रखने के लिए, not necessarily to copy it.
Right.
Also because film में लड़कियों को वो you know उतना scope नहीं है to go deeper into what you have to do. So we just wanted to make sure we kind of hold that energy whenever we come and keep it fresh for us.
Right. You know, ये कुछ नया है. You know, something that we have seen on OTT is now on the big screen. What is the discussion amongst you guys? Your director, your producers. What are you all expecting?
It's actually an experiment for all of us.
Yeah.
And अगर ये चल जाता है तो बहुत लोगों को भी motivation देगा. See, because at the end of the day, Rohit, our relationship with the audience has been through OTT, right?
True.
For Mirzapur.
For many.
So now how they respond to the big theatrical experience is something which we'll have to see. You know, you hope for the best because when you're watching something you love so much, दोस्तों के साथ on the big screen in the theater, उसका एक मजा अलग है.
Correct.
But to hit that weekend, to get those numbers, eventually that is what will truly, you know, reveal whether people are immediately going to come or कि लोगों को इत्मीनान से देखना पसंद है. So we're all curious.
Correct.
Because अगर चल जाता है तो it'll open up the doors for so many other IPs.
Correct.
I would say. So just like you, I'm also very curious, and the approach of course is different जब आप series to film बना रहे हैं, because आपके वो plot points, वो beats, वो heightened drama, एक scale, एक music, वो approach पूरा change हो जाता है.
Exactly.
You know, and इसमें there's also one added, I would not say pressure, but what do you want to focus on? Because इतने किरदार सारे loved हैं. आपको सबको justice देना है.
True.
You know?
Series में हर show के end पे एक high point होगा जिस पे एक hook होगा. Here there's only one interval and that's it.
Absolutely. But the exciting part is दो बहुत सुंदर गाने हैं that I'm part of besides Varu, which by the way, fun fact, Varu was filmed in actual Mirzapur.
Oh really?
The only time we actually felt, तो वो बहुत मजा आया because actually उस घाट पे shoot करके full मिर्जापुर वाली vibe आ रही थी, और जब हम shoot कर रहे थे तो we could see fans waiting at a distance. You know, it was a very special feeling.
Yeah, it is.
And interestingly, वारू जब पहली बार आया था, गुड्डू स्वीटी की शादी का जो moment था, तब इतना popular नहीं हुआ था. In the last 1 year through reels.
Right. See, that's amazing.
बहुत popular हुआ, and of course we saw the feedback, and what a moment for us that Shreya Ghoshal ma'am has lent her voice for Varu.
Wow, what a thing, right? You know, something that may not have clicked at that time because of internet or whatever, social media is suddenly is
totally
put on song.
And मेरे लिए खास बात ये है that Varu मेरा गाना है.
Yeah, correct.
It's my love song.
Correct. Yeah, it's your
you know,
love song.
You don't get too many of these in your life when you do a lot of series. So, you know, for Ali and I, the Guddu Sweetie song is Varu. So it's very special to have my own song.
Right.
And और एक गाना है which is देवी का एक ode है, Vindhyavasini. I don't know what the name of the song will be eventually. It was beautiful to rehearse and to shoot it.
Okay.
And it's a bit of folk, a very powerful song that Harshita and I have performed. So that was a very new experience. Out and out big song to do. अब वो कैसे कितना रहता है edit पे, वो मतलब वो देखना है.
It's amazing how we're talking about Mirzapur and we're talking about these songs. It is really
I mean, that is the way you're going to get more people to understand why a film was justified also.
Correct.
Yeah.
suppose this also goes in a new year. They may have not seen, the younger audience may have not seen Mirzapur 1 or 2. What would you suggest? They watch season 1 and then come and watch this film, or they can independently go and watch this film? What do you think is a good idea?
That's a good question. I don't think there are too many people who haven't watched Mirzapur.
That's true.
The best part is, अगर आपने मिर्जापुर बिल्कुल नहीं देखा है, आप फिर भी फिल्म एंजॉय कर सकते हैं
That's nice.
as a standalone film.
Hmm.
और अगर आपने देखा है, well
Then
and
तो
good,
well and
you
good.
can
You know the
still
world.
flow with it. So it's catered to both the audiences.
Nice.
And I think that's a
Correct.
good
That's
thing.
a fair thing. Yeah.
It's a difficult thing to achieve
Yeah, it is. It is.
as a standalone film
Bilkul.
also.
When you see your other co-stars, did you all meet before this? How do you come back on this? Do you all straight land up on the set after, or is there other again workshops or script reading or something?
For this particular cast, getting everybody together, film के लिए ही एक मुश्किल बात थी. तो workshops नहीं हुए थे. But because for all of us, Mirzapur has been such an important part of our career कि वो एक धागा है जो हम सबको जोड़ के रखता है. And there is genuine love to it. We genuinely like to hang out with each other. And shoot का मौका जब मिलता है तो उसके बाद हैंग आउट करने का मौका is equally exciting for all of us. So we use the time that we have on set to just even generally chill and hang and spend time with each other. नहीं तो मौका नहीं मिलता है. And we've all worked, मतलब जीतू और मैंने भी ड्राई डे में काम किया है. Shweta and I have acted, Ali and I have separately. So everyone's worked with each other on other things as well.
Right.
But when you're part of something that's got so much love, वो एक bonding भी अलग है.
जी, बिल्कुल. When you come back after, when all of you all have grown in different directions, all of you all have matured differently, all of you all have done different work. When you all go on the set, do you see a different equation with your actors, or it's exactly the same out?
No, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. मिर्जापुर के कास्ट में कोई भी अपना ईगो सेट पे नहीं लाता. And there's no one-upmanship. There's no कि आपका कैरेक्टर बड़ा है, इनका कम है, तो वो एक एटीट्यूड से है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. And the credit goes to the team because Gurupa, the director, Puneet ji, the writer, Excel, they've all really kept us together. They've kept us with, everyone gets that much respect.
Nice.
So credit to everybody that we've not brought in that kind of insecurity on set at all. In fact, ये तो एक ऐसी कास्ट है जो अगर किसी और का सीन चल रहा है तो हम बैठ के एंजॉय करते हैं.
True.
हम सेट पे हमारा टाइम एंजॉय करते हैं. And that's so rare.
What is a set like? What do you mean?
खाने की बातें. Our cast loves to eat. So especially when we've shot in up north, टमाटर की चटनी हो, खाने में क्या है, चाट हो, हम खुद को, because क्या है, जब आप इतना heavy, intense, aggressive चीजें शूट करते हैं तो भूख भी उतनी लगती है. You have to keep it light.
Right.
You find your own way to keep it light. Otherwise, it's going to be very heavy throughout. And to be honest, एक मिर्जापुर फिल्म की शूट में एक अलग lightness था because it almost felt like a celebration. कि हम ये ऑडियंस के लिए कर रहे हैं. उतना प्रेशर नहीं है पर फिर भी है
थोड़ा
कुछ अलग करने के लिए. एंड मेरे लिए खास तौर it was a very big deal because in my mind स्वीटी का वो चैप्टर खत्म हो चुका था. और तभी भी ऑडियंस ने इतना प्यार दिया था. आई रिमेम्बर सीजन 2 जब आया तो people were coming up with unique ways कि स्वीटी को जिंदा कैसे किया जाए. People used to DM me कि मे बी वो pretend कर रही थी, भूत बन के आ जाए. Very sweet. And that's when I realized that I rather be part of something and missed than overstay and people say कि ये क्या आँख बना
क्यों अब तक है.
तो स्वीटी के किरदार का मरना उससे ज़्यादा, उससे बहुत प्यार मिला.
That's really nice. It's a great sign of our times also that such a male-dominated genre where it's all about guns and goons and all kinds of things, where women are so important in this. Like, you take away all the women from Mirzapur, it won't be the same show at all.
They have a lot of agency. The women in Mirzapur have a lot of agency.
Correct,
And of course, compared to the men, the screen time may not be as much, but every woman holds space and power in a way. In a way, they almost control the men also.
Yeah, true. That's really.
मतलब
true.
गुड्डू सिर्फ स्वीटी के सामने वो पपी बन जाता है, पिघल जाता है. मुन्ना भी. And I feel in Mirzapur the women hold their own space. And the writers in the series did their best to kind of give
Correct.
separate, Rasika का, बीना का एक track, हमारा, गोलू का एक जो arc होता है. So film में of course एक limitation हो जाती है. But I love the pizzazz and the sassiness with which the women in Mirzapur are also written.
Wow. You know, before I move on to your other release, I also want, all these fans who are writing to you and DMing you, what do you want to tell them about Sweety? What should they expect this time?
To all the fans, मतलब thank you, आपने स्वीटी गुप्ता के किरदार को इतना ज़्यादा प्यार दिया. और मैं जानती हूँ कि सीजन 1 के एंड में जब स्वीटी का अंत हो गया था, आप सब लोगों ने इतने स्वीटली सजेशंस दिए थे कि स्वीटी किस तरह से वापस आ सकती है. Well, I guess in some way your prayers have been answered. That not prayers, that's too dramatic, but फिल्म में वापस मौका मिला है. So I hope you get to enjoy a bit of the beautiful Guddu Sweety romance.
Amazing. And then you have a completely different release.
Yes.
बहुत ही अलग ये world से out and out Priyadarshan movie है ये.
Out and out Priyadarshan film, and it's a remake of his Malayalam film Opam. And मुझे फिल्मों पे थोड़ा फोकस शिफ्ट करना था, बिकॉज जब आप ज़्यादा सीरीज या OTT पे आप काम करते हो तो कई बार एक लेबल हो सकते हो एज एन OTT एक्टर, जस्ट द वे टेलीविजन एक्टर्स वर लेबल्ड एज टेलीविजन एक्टर्स. So I felt I don't want to give anybody an opportunity to do that, and I'm very proud of the work I've done in the OTT space. बट फिल्मों का एक मजा अलग है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड वो एक कमर्शियल एक्सपीरियंस भी जरूरी होता है. You have to cater to a different audience role with every project that you do. And when I heard it's Saif sir, Akshay sir and Priyadarshan sir, this combination is a kick-ass combination. So it was a really fun experience shooting with Saif, who I love so much actually.
Nice. And I don't know if this is his 100th film or he has.
He's almost touching
100. Correct. So for someone who's made like 100 films, what is he like? Do you think when he sits with you and narrates something, does it come like that to him, or what is he like?
Priyadarshan sir has immense clarity. He has visual clarity about how he sees the shot. So sometimes he'll almost show you the visual beats of how he wants you to move. Now a lot of directors don't do that, but sir's very clear that in this emotional beat I want you to move, I want my camera to experience this body language. So he approaches you with a lot of clarity, and that makes the job easy. Like sometimes we've got stuff in the first take and we're like, ho gaya sir, aur ek karna hai. He's like, nahi ho gaya, we got it. That's very refreshing. Obviously when you've had so much experience, you're seeing the film, and also you want to add your own freshness to it, since it's a remake. You're catering to a different audience. So wonderful to work with. And he comes across as someone who's very serious and maybe unapproachable, but he's the exact opposite. He's really sweet and so passionate. And he just gave us a lot of love and very quick on his feet. And I was noticing even if it's Akshay sir, Saif sir, Sayami, myself, all of us were like students around him. There's so much respect, there's so much reverence.
Correct.
So we were like, sir, aapko acha did you like it, sir? He's like, yeah, okay.
This genre with him, is it a completely different experience for you? What is it like?
See, shooting a commercial film like Haiwan will always be a different experience. I am spoiled that I've been part of stuff that I've headlined. Therefore, I'm used to taking the story forward. True, but somewhere you have to let go of that and understand that in a commercial setup, it's a different kind of a dynamic, of course. I was most excited to actually work with, most of my work is with Saif sir. With Akshay sir, not that much. I'm such a huge fan. And I didn't want to be a fangirl and kind of be like, hi sir, I'm doing the scene with you, but such a huge fan. He's so chilled out. His energy is full Gen Z coded. Like, he's so chill and he's so witty. Just so fun to work. And he's playing a visually impaired character in Haiwan. So for me to even like observe how he's picking those things up was really interesting.
Nice.
So we had a very great, comfortable time on set. Again, Haiwan mein bhi ek gana hai which I enjoyed filming because these experiences are very rare to come by.
True. You know, when you know, there's something about these actors of the 90s who this is their third, fourth decade, and they are still
Hungry.
Yeah, they're still lead men. They're still hungry. They're still, you know, doing it with all sincerity and dedication.
Yeah.
Many times. What do you observe about them? What is keeping them so relevant? And
I don't think artists ever let go of hunger
right.
and greed and
Mm-hmm,
wanting to
mm-hmm.
do more and more.
Mm,
I do feel though that male actors, say in their 50s or 60s, have far more opportunities than women
true. Yeah.
in their
Yeah.
50s and 60s.
Correct. Yeah.
And you do see some wonderful films being written, but it's far
Handful.
and few.
Yeah. Handful.
The audience will accept a
Mm,
leading man in his 50s romancing someone much younger,
correct.
but may not if the roles are
Yeah.
reversed.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So of course the hope would be that for women across ages,
It
utni
changes.
writing,
Mm.
you know, ka scope mil jaye.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't think of it as just a 10-year peak,
Mm-hmm.
you know. And this idea of peak has also changed.
Yeah.
Earlier, actors would speak like, okay, this is my prime time or this is my peak time.
Yeah. Huh.
But today that language is not spoken.
Yeah. True. You don't know when.
But I loved that somebody like a Saif, who's done a lot of different kinds of like work. He's associated more with like, say, maybe rom-coms or comedies.
Yeah.
But doing something like a Hewan was a challenge because you have to play a visually impaired
You
person.
can't play it lightly.
And in the earlier film, Mohanlal also had played that part.
Right.
So of course,
Huge. Yeah.
that's a huge thing.
Mm.
But then again, there is a genuine sincerity to want to be better. You're not taking a stardom for granted.
Correct. Correct.
And only those people will go ahead in the industry who don't take their stardom for granted. I've seen that in my own house.
Yeah,
With, you know,
true.
my father's
Yeah.
62nd year in the industry. My mother's
Wow.
completed more than 50 years.
Yeah.
But
True.
they're still at it with their craft, with their creative energy, with their curiosity. तो अगर आप अपने stardom और आपके fame को लेके इतना comfortable हो जाएं,
True.
you're not going to be hungry enough to try new things.
Right. True.
So to keep yourself relevant,
Mm-hmm.
you have to get out of your comfort zone.
Wow. आपके घर पे स्कूल है, so you have.
बिल्कुल. और you know, you can't be stuck to an idea कि मैंने इतना ही किया है. And I'll give you my example. I don't look at the length of the part when I pick my roles because I think that कई बार आप उस एक सीन का स्कोप उतना हो सकता है जितना 10 सीन का भी ना हो.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
So what is the scope of work and the opportunity that I have to connect with my audience is how I judge the part of a film.
Right,
So
right.
Hewan, maybe the screen time say is limited or Mirzapur mein is limited, but that does not make me insecure, which I think is my strength as an actor.
Correct.
Because otherwise आप उस insecure way में decisions लेने लग गए, फिर घर बैठो.
Yeah, that's really true. Right. You know, when this came to you and you were told the first time कि Saif and Akshay are in it, what was that like?
I was like, wow, like what a exciting reunion it's going to be.
Yeah. They're also 17 years के बाद they're coming together.
Exactly. And I really like the script. I mean, for me,
Okay.
just the fact that they were in the film was not enough.
Right.
I liked the script a lot, and obviously you trust a Priyadarshan sir completely, and he was very welcoming with all my questions. So I felt like it's a solid package because आजकल सिर्फ एक दो अच्छे एक्टर्स को लेके आप चीजें नहीं बना सकते. You need a solid cast.
Correct.
You need a solid cast to support good writing. Because people are able to gauge now. You know, you can't fool the audience anymore by just casting people for the sake of it.
Right. True.
People understand how to identify what a good performance is and what
Right.
it's not. So it's a very strong ensemble. I remember I didn't have much work with Akshay sir,
Right.
but he loves playing like games on his iPad. So in between takes, it was always like, "Acha, he speaks to me in Marathi. Chal Ludo kheluya." He's constantly wanting to play. He taught me some fun random magic tricks.
Yeah, he is.
So to keep ourselves entertained, it was nice to see, you know, that this is what was happening.
Right.
And even with Saif sir, it was interesting because I haven't done too many big commercial films. Fan was, of course, my first one.
Debut, yeah.
But this is such a different, fun experience that it's important for me to keep doing these things once in a while just so that I can cater to different
Correct.
audiences.
Correct.
You know,
Correct.
and at the end of the day, there's a certain bankability the industry also is looking at.
Yeah.
you know. So perception wise, you know, it's an industry of perception.
It is.
So no matter how well you may perform in something, being part of a commercial project changes the way you're perceived.
Absolutely.
And that's the truth.
That is the truth. That is absolutely the truth. And you know, you were talking about Akshay also. Like, imagine this. Like, we are at a time where, say, Aamir doesn't have a release for 4-5 years. Shah Rukh also once in 2-3 years. This Akshay Kumar has a 2-3 releases in a year, sometimes 4 releases in a year. That is the consistency is amazing.
But that's a creative choice that you make. You know, बहुत लोगों के लिए they're very clear कि हमें ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, but जो भी करना है वो conviction के साथ करना है. Or then you have somebody like an Akshay sir who's very clear that I want to do as much work. काम करना है. At different stages in your life, वो एक approach अलग होता है.
Fair enough, right.
And at the end of it, I just realized that both of them, they've kept themselves super fit. They take good care of themselves. So you have no excuse.
Absolutely, you have no excuse.
You have no excuse to kind of do that.
Right. What did Priyadarshan sir tell you about your character that you said yes to?
So my character, without revealing much, has a very pivotal point in the story. She works. So the plot of the film is basically a murder takes place in this society. And a few people are blamed for it, and then how that unfolds, and it's a cat and mouse chase with what happens. I'm a caretaker in Dr. Pradhan's house, played by Baman sir, and I have an equation with Sham, played by Saif, who works in the same building. And I find myself in a very vulnerable and tricky position that leads me to make certain decisions.
Got it.
So there's the character I play, her name is Naina, और वो जैसी दिखती है वैसी है नहीं, तो वो unfolding हम देखते हैं as to larger plot में ये इसने क्या कांड किए हैं basically.
Nice.
So because it was part of the plot in a way, I felt like it would be fun for me.
Nice. You know, tell me, what is this year is turned out to be a very interesting year. You have 2 theatricals. Can this be planned, or this just happens?
Nothing in life can be planned. You can intentionally work towards things, but I think some of the best things are always unplanned. And in my case, if I plan too much, then I am very sure it does not happen. You know, you have to, just the way you improvise on screen, I believe you have to improvise in life. You can't go out there navigating this world or your career with a very fixed mindset, because who knows, maybe you're not capable of thinking as big as the universe has planned.
True.
So I always want to keep my vision so wide. I want to, you know, work not just in India, even explore international opportunities, explore other industries, and not be limited in my view as a performer. But one thing I'm very clear, that for me it's always been my craft or my skill that's got me more work. Not PR, not spotting, not media
Social
here and there. It's been work that's got me more work.
Nice.
Because I think if you rely too much on PR to get you work, then that's limiting, because wo aaj hai, kal nahi.
Correct, yeah.
And this year I decided I also want to make choices outside my comfort zone. So Haiwan is that in that direction. I just finished filming a found footage horror film with Veer Das.
Oh, nice.
Called 12 Number.
Right.
So it's out and out horror.
Wow.
And we've filmed it like a play, so like long takes. We rehearsed for a month for it. Very intensive rehearsals.
He's directing it as well.
Directing and starring in it. So again, that's a different audience. That's an experiment.
Right.
So I want to work with people who are audacious, who are willing to take that leap of faith, willing to take that risk, and who are not playing it safe. Because at this stage, I do want to play it safe.
Nice. And that also comes out this year?
I don't know. I think they'll do a festival run. I don't know when it will come out.
Sure, okay.
But found footage horror is a totally different fan base. And even for Veer, it's a departure, fresh departure from what he's done before. Because it's not comedy, it's out and out horror.
Got it. It's interesting what you said, that you would like to work in other industries as well.
Yeah.
What are you doing about it? Would you like to go and stay somewhere and then just try getting work? Because it's so tough to get work outside.
See, I think you don't necessarily always need to move
fully.
Today, you're able to also, I mean, I've auditioned for so many international projects even in the past. But I think the focus is always going to be the script and then the medium and the language later. But for example, Marathi cinema or Malayalam films, Telugu films, so many of them, you know, you have such incredible makers. The same production house did Balan, thespian
Correct.
films recently. So the point is to be part of stories that are going to have a certain emotional resonance, and that is strong storytelling.
Got it.
I don't think I'm taking work just for the fascination of being a lead. You know, because you've seen enough examples where
Absolutely.
the तामझाम is there, but वो matter नहीं है,
Matter नहीं है,
और वो आके निकल जाता है, और आप
Correct.
इतनी मेहनत करते हो, फिर क्या?
Absolutely.
And today when I go out there, I in fact like to ask the audience कि आप क्या देखना पसंद करते हो? Speak to the audience.
Yeah.
Don't assume.
What do they tell you mostly?
I realized that different people have watched me different things. So across the board, something like a Mirzapur or a Taza Khabar are very popular.
Yeah, very popular.
But then, you know, a lot of women have enjoyed watching me in Broken News.
Yeah,
or
we also enjoyed Broken News.
You know, in Guilty Minds, which was a different kind of a show as a lawyer. Mandala Murders, for me, you know, did really well. It was a very small part.
Yeah.
But to be seen in as a cult leader in that capacity
Very different.
was completely different.
Correct.
What happens is, Rohit, a lot of people today, or even casting directors, they don't always imagine you in the not obvious parts. And sometimes I feel like I end up picking up the phone and saying that I want to test for this, even though I may not be the obvious choice. But it's fun to see actors in a completely different way. Like, look at the casting of Dhurandhar. Such interesting choices.
They're all different. You
Right?
wouldn't imagine. Yeah.
You can't imagine. So the kick right now for me is not the volume of work, but can I present myself differently?
Right.
So in this horror film, my look, I don't think you'll be able to see the look. So let's not get there.
Yeah.
हैवान में कुछ अलग करने मिल रहा है, एक
हाँ.
मिर्जापुर में एक अलग है. So now that I've finished 10 years in the industry, the next 10 years I want to be able to surprise people with every part.
Amazing. That's just perfect attitude what we need.
Hi, I'm Shreya Pilgaonkar and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.